How to change language on Instagram on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is simply open the Instagram app, and we all know that you cannot directly change the language from the Instagram app. So let's just go to the home screen and tap on the settings available there. Once inside the settings, all you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Inside general, scroll again and you'll get to see language and reason option available in there. And all you have to do is tap on the language and reason. Now tap on the add language at the top and scroll down and choose your preferred language. So basically it changes all the language of all of your apps and also of the iPhone. So it does not only apply for the Instagram. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.